HTML text formatting. HTML text formatting refers to the method used to style and present text content within a web page. It involves using various HTML text and CSS properties to achieve different visual effects and improve readability. Here are some common HTML text formatting techniques. Font style. HTML provides text to specify different font style. Tag B or strong. Bolded text. Tag I or EM. Italic text. Tag U underline text. This is example of this. We will do this example practical after this presentation. Text alignment. You can align text using the text align property in CSS. You have to write this property style in starting tag, then property name, then its value in double quotes. This will make this text in center. Text color. You can change the color of text using the color property. Again, you have to use this style property in a starting tag, then property name, then property value in double quotes. This will make this text red. Text size. You can adjust the size of your text using the font size property, which you have to use style in starting tag, then font size property and its value to the according to your requirement. It will increase the size of this text. Text decoration. You can add the decoration like underline or strike through. This will make your text underline or line passing through your text. This is for underlining your text. This example is for passing line through your text. Text transformation. You can transform text to uppercase, lowercase or capitalize. You have to use the style property, then text transformation uppercase, lowercase to capitalize, uppercase to increase the all text to uppercase, lowercase to make the all the text to lowercase, capitalize to make first letter capital, then other letter small. Line height. You can adjust the spacing between the lines using the line height property in CSS. Tag P style use property line height, then the value. It may be 1, 2 up to 10. This text can increase the line spacing. Text shadow. You can add a shadow effect to your text using the text shadow property. You have to use style, then property name, then its value. This will make this text with the shadow effect. Now we will do this all properties example in Visual Studio Code. First example. Copy and paste inside body tag. Run it. See, this will make this text bold and this will make this text italic. We make bold and I make italic the text. Now moving to my next example. Text is center. You have to use text line property and its value should be center. This will make your text at the center. Text color. It will change the text color. We'll copy this example. Copy, paste in Visual Studio Code. Run it. Text color is red. Now for example, this will increase the size of the text. We'll copy this, paste under body, run it. See, we will increase the size of the text. It is not visible to 60 pixel. See, text is larger than other text. Moving to our fifth example. Copy this both example. example, make text underline. Second example, line through, make the line passing through this text. See, text declaration underline, make text underline, text declaration line through, make a line pass through the text. Moving to our other examples, copy this example. Copy, paste in Visual Studio. Run. See our text transform property. Its value is uppercase. Make our text uppercase. Text transform to lowercase. Make all text to lowercase. Capitalize. Make first letter capital, other letter small. Moving towards seventh example. Increase the line height. Copy this property. Paste in Visual Studio Code. Line size difference between two lines has been increased with property line spacing. Line height property increased the space between two lines. Line height, not line spacing. Copy the next property example. Text shadow. Copy. Paste in Visual Studio Code. Paste. Run it. See, text has shadow behind it.